Hello friends, I am Nandini. Already you know how can we add addition of numbers. In this video, we discuss how can we add easily. Consider first one, we add 953,125 using simplest method. First we add these two, 10 and 5 plus 2 is 7 and 3 plus 5 is 8. After you equal in both sides, 2 digit is there, so also 2 digit, also 2 digit. Add first letter, first number as it is. After we add 7 plus 0 is 7, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 as it is. The addition of these two is 1078. Check it. 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 2 is 7, 9 plus 1 is 10. It is the simplest method to addition of numbers. Okay. After we consider second one, as it is 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 4 plus 1 is also 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 6 plus 2 is 8. Next step, what we do? Equal in both sides. So 0 plus 4, 0 plus 5, 0 plus 5, 0 plus 8. After we write last number as it is, add this one to this one. 0 plus 0 is 0. Next we add 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 0 is 5. 4 plus 0 is 4. So the addition of these two numbers is 45,608. Check it. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 5, 10, 0. 1 is carry. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. Both are equal. This time we add easily. Any big number is there. Okay. Next we consider this one. This is a 6-digit number. Add 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. And 6 plus 5 is 11. What we do first? Last number as it is, right? After add this one to this one. 7 plus 1 is 8. First equal. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 as it is, take 1 carry. 3 plus 1. 0 is there, we take 1 carry. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So the result of this sum is 4,02,021. Check it. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 carry. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 as it is. 1 is carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 0. 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. These two are same. This type we add very easily. Okay, understood? If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share and support this channel.